This is how to remove a thermostat. You can see the thermostat inside here. It's inside here. So you lose this bolt, remove this housing, and you get your thermostat removed. But why do you have to remove your thermostat? That is what we are going to discuss now. You can see the thermostat is always close to your water pump. This is your V-bed, this is your fan, and this is your water pump. This is your water pump pulley. It's driven by V-bed. This is your thermostat, and we need to remove this thermostat because our engine is doing overheat. The thermostat is no longer good. It must be replaced. This is the wire to show when the engine is well. This is the temperature switch wire. You can see it. The switch wire. And this is the suction. This is the in and this is the in and this is the out of the water pump. So